TNPSC Max, simplify square root of 4q plus 4q plus 4q plus 4q. Solution given square root of 4q plus 4q plus 4q plus 4q. Okay. So next step, this 4 cube is common for all. So you can take outside in square root only. Inside the square root only you can take common outside. So square root of 4 cube is common into remainder is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay. Next step, square root of 4 cube into 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. Okay. This symbol is square root, 1 by 2. Okay. Next one, exponent rule, in multiplication, base same means you can add the power. So, a power m cross a power n equal to a power m plus n. Okay. So, here base same, 4, 4. So, you can add the power. So, inside the square root only 4 power, this is 4 power 1. Okay. So, 3 plus 1. Okay. Next step, square root of 4 power 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 power 4. Okay. Next step, square root of 4 power, this 4 can be written as 2 square 4 power 2 the whole power 2. Because another one important exponent rule is a power m the whole power n equal to a power mn. Okay. So this rule you can apply here. So this 4 can be written as 2 power 2. This is possible now. This is also possible. So 2 into 2 4. So nothing will change. So you can write like this. So square root of 4 square the whole power square 2. Next step, this is 2. This square root is 1 by 2. So 4 square the whole power squared the whole power 1 by 2. Okay. So this 2 and this 2 and all cancel in multiplication. Okay. So remainder is 4 square. 4 square means 16. So answer is 16. Okay. Next sum, try this. Square root of 3 cube plus 3 cube plus 3 cube. What is the answer? So try and comment your answer. If you like this video, like and subscribe and click the bell button, then only you will get my other videos. Thanks for watching.